Hi, this is Kev from Tired of Fighting and Blame Yourself. The sticks that I use are the Collision 5AR. I love the durability of these. I love the length as well. They've got a little bit extra length, which is really nice. They're a little bit thicker than the regular 5As, so they give me that little bit of impact that I really need and I really enjoy. I use them, so you should as well. The video you're going to see is by Blame Yourself. It's a song called Glue. It was our second release, so I hope you enjoy. Without